Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to program a receipt cracker on the FreeCodeCamp. As you know, if you're just new in this channel, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like on the button, or click the like button to encourage the video and to encourage me. As you well know, if you have watched other videos, I'm doing on the JavaScript part of the FreeCodeCamp certification to be a full stack developer. So I've already done 192 steps, so it remains me a lot. So nevertheless, let us start programming. So before that, put some background music. Lofi. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. Shout out to our Indian guys. Really great people doing nice stuff on YouTube. What programming is concerned, about programming topics. Okay, so let us start it. First step, in the workshop, create an empty array receipt. And just to precise it, I will try and do the workshop to build a receipt tracker under 30 minutes. So that's just a challenge. We shall see if I can do it. So create an object name receipt1. But normally objects are constants. What's wrong here? Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay. Constant. Receipt1. 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 Inside receipt1, create a name property. Okay. Inside it, create a name property. Spaghetti. Let me just copy it. Spaghetti. Bonara. Should be from Italy. It should be from Italy. So, and also inside the receipt1 object, create an ingredient property. So let me just write ingredient property. Okay. With an array as a value. Okay, with an array as a value. So this is how we represent arrays. Okay. The array should contain spaghetti, pepper, parmesan cheese. Let me check this. I'll check out black pepper also. So this array, I think it should be strings, because these are how strings have been denoted, be written in JavaScript. So you just copy and modify it. So okay, remains 27 minutes before it's done. So okay, I'm done. Create another rating property. Okay, ratings property. With an array value. The array should have 4, 5, 4, 5, 4. Should have 4, 5, 4, and 5 inside it. So 4, 5, 4, 5 inside it. is wrong here. It's not supposed to be a semicolon. It's a comma here. Here is correct. Now at the end of the project, semicolon test. Done. So add the following property to the receipt one. Cooking time, blah 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 blah. No, the property with null where the string will be updated after calculated. To the receive one object. So this is a receive one object. I don't know if I have to. Okay, yeah, I have to add it because here this is here. I thought that there's not particular function, so let me just add it. Cooking time. Cooking time is 22. Let's go down. Total ingredient is null or null. Null difficulty level, empty string. And finally, what do we have? Average rating. Average rating, null. One told me that it's null. So the properties with null or empty string will be updated after you calculated them. So let me check. Okay, there's an error somewhere. Your code does not pass. Keep trying. Your receive one should have total ingredients property. So total ingredients, maybe I made a spelling error, I'm sure. Just paste it. I want to check one line by line. Okay, so I will show. Create another receive L2 out. So create, I hope you guys are seeing the code, the line of code. So create another receive L2, receive 2, sorry, object with the following property and value. So object is always with const, but let's say I'm doing object with const. I don't know if you know the answer, just leave the comments below whether object is always with const. So the name property should be chicken curry. Is that a nice thing? Curry. Ingredients. Just copy, paste, go. Okay, ingredient is an array of strings. Okay, let's go to the next one. Rating. Can do that first. Ratings. Cooking time. 42. Total ingredients. Null. Difficulty level. I don't know if there's a difference between this one and this brace, this sign, and this one. I forgot the name. Averaged rating. No, so save. No, don't save it. Let's go to the next one. Before you move on, you should practice the access property. Okay, you either use dot or brackets. To do this, here is the example. John, you don't want to access John's name. I use the person's name. I use this one, or either the age. At access the name property of both receive and assign them to a variable receive one. So then receive so receive one name. Let me just duplicate it. Let me just copy it and paste. Receive two. To now move along. Okay, I know there shall be a problem there. Variable receive one. This name is not done right because it doesn't do so. The test of my code will not be good respectively. So receive one, receive two. That's correct. Next, access the cooking time of both receive and assign it to. So cooking time receive one equals to receive one old. So let's look out this other array is equal one cooking time. One cooking time. So let's do it. Copy what's paste it down. Cooking two. That's right. Two. Okay, so I think it's okay. Let's make sure all the variables are created and logged to the console. So I wanted to use a for loop, I don't know. Let me just do as it's been shown. I don't think that 30 minutes will be enough for me. So receive one, copy, copy, paste. This. Copy. I am running, I guess, to just remain 80 minutes. Should have this stop of console logged. I think I'm good. Good. Let's go on to the next step. Step 6. See how many steps. Those are steps again. A third receive object has been fully filled for you. It's the same as receive one. You should now push 3 objects into the receive array. To do this, use a push method. So, into the receive array, there's a receive array. So it has yeah, okay. Use a push method to push all the receive object into the receive array. Okay. Make sure to push receive one using this order. Okay. 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 The name of the array was receive. Don't push. I don't know if the syntax of push is correct. If I have to use this, no, I don't think so. So, since the array, since they are variables, so I'll just leave them at receive to receive 3. So also delete the receive variables and console the statement that's which log those variables. I don't understand. Also delete You understand? I have to delete. So this receive name, this is delete the blah 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 variables and the console log statement which log those variables. So anything what the action to read. So I'll receive one, receive two. Okay, they made it here. So delete this statement, delete the receive name, and the console also just delete here. No, I was a little bit confused, but I'll just continue. So now you should work on calculating the average, blah blah blah, difficulty for each receipt in your receipt array. Start by creating a function getting average function that takes a single argument, which is an array with ratings. Inside the function, calculate the average rating of an array passed to the function. So get returns your get array must return a number. So let's just do it fast. Function the C get average rating that takes rating that takes an argument rating. No, it's better that I should read, stop, do what that asks me to do what is being asked, then continue reading instead of reading it all before going back. I think that it's more efficient to read and do what I have to do before continue reading. So start by creating a function that takes a single argument, which is an array of ratings. So just put ratings as. Inside the function, calculate the average rating from the array passed in. So, how do we calculate the average? I think that the average is the total number of things divided by. Yeah, okay. Let's look. So, if you have an array, must return a number. So, I just put return average. Average. So let's go I wanted to use a loop. I want to use a loop here. I think that the right thing here to use is a loop. So let me read it back. Read the instructions again. First of all, I have to create the so let sum equals to 0 equals to 0. So for that rating, I don't know if there's some special value. Let me check this my review object method special way. No, don't think so. So I'll just continue rating of ratings. So after doing so after doing that I'll just take sum plus rating. Okay. After doing that, let average be equals to normally I'm supposed to do some edge cases to make sure that, because I'm about to do a division here, so I want to make sure that the rating is not an empty array or is not made up of zeros. So, but I don't know if I have to do it for this exercise, so let me just leave it like that. Average. So the length of the array, yeah, I think that should be right. So I'll take the sum divided by the array's length, because the array's length is the number of elements there. So I will just say ratings the point length of the function. This correct. Oh, super. So create a get total ingredient function. Remains 30 minutes. Get total ingredient function. Correct. Yes. Create that takes a single argument. So what's the argument? Representing an array of ingredients. So we just put ingredients. Okay. And returns the number of ingredients of the array passed. So simple, just ask for the length of the array ingredients point length of the array. Create a get difficulty level function. Because I said get, that's the reason why I started with get. So get takes too much time. Copy, then paste. It saves time by running against the clock. That takes a number indicating the cooking time as a parameter. Let me just say cooking time, indicating cooking as a parameter. So let me just say cooking time. If the cooking time is less than cooking time, it's less than less than 30, the function should return easy. Okay. Return the string. The other time I was asking if I should console log. No. Return the string easy. Yes, that's it. Easy. If it's less than or equals to situation medium, okay, so I have to use the if else construction. So if it's less than, so cooking time, what cooking time? It's less than or equals to, so less than or equals to 60. Normally it's supposed to be seconds, but I just leave it. It should return medium. So just copy this return set, copy medium. You okay. And otherwise, so the else segment should return hard. Damn shit is hard. Hard. Sorry. So that's this problem here. The function should return easy when the cooking time is less than or equals to. So I skipped that part. Done. Okay. Step 10. It is time to test each function. You can use any of the receive for this, but this tutorial will start with receive one. Okay. Create 3 variables. Receive one, these variables, so we just create them. Layout, that, okay. So receive one ingredients, receive one total ingredients, receive one difficulty level. So correct. Assign them the value by calling the corresponding function for each variable and passing the appropriate receive one property. So finally log the variable so to the console to see the result. So console point logged. The last one was just copy copy routine, copy. 6 minutes to go. Hope that. Reusable difficulty. So let's go and test. Now, what was the function? Getting average. Getting average rating. So get. Zoom it. Okay. Yeah, now it's better. I hope you guys are seeing because I want to get average rating. Average rating. So average rating. So and we shall put receive one point rating. I think that's correct now. The next one is total ingredients. Total ingredients. Sorry. Total ingredient. Receipt tutorial, you can use receipt one. Receipt one is an object, very important also. Total ingredients, so that's the correct one. So let me just put here. So receipt one, it remains for me to go. It remains for me to go. So sorry. Question. The last one is get difficulty level. Just copy it. Copy. Get difficulty level. On the other receive one. Don't go to the receive object. Where is it? Here. And difficulty level. Normally it's supposed to be 0. Let me just put it here. Check it. Oh, there's a problem. You create a receive one array. You should create a receive one. So I'm sure that made receive one average rating. So I'm sure that I will. Let me just put it here. Put one here. Replace this one here. Check it. Okay. You should create a receive one array variable. You should create your receive one array should be set. Should set. What's wrong here? Let's see if I made an error. Set. Yeah. Okay. Being the urge is taking time. So okay, I just correct it. Sorry. Your variable should be set to get cooking time. Also, yeah, that's right. Difficulty level. Sorry, that's right. Because it's normally cooking time. Because there's nothing here. Receive one does not have anything like related to cooking time. Why is it okay here? That's right. Oh, that's right. Because getting difficulty label is calculating the cooking time here. So that's right. Thank you. Okay. What is the next one? Default should be set to get receive one cooking time. Okay. Yeah. Read difficulty and just copy. So I don't think that I will get difficulty. Okay. What was the next one? I cannot see. What was the next one? But I did it. Get difficulty level. Get difficulty level. Get difficulty level. That's right. You should create a variable. Okay. Let me redo it again. I copy it. Okay, that's it. Create a variable. I've created a variable. What's wrong here? Okay. Let me just drink some. Take some water. There's no water here. Just continue. I want to too much to edit this video. So let me just. You should create a to receive total one ingredients. Use it, receive one ingredient. Font ingredient. Okay, just put this here. Font ingredients, total ingredients. So you're supposed to be ingredients. So ingredients, true, there's ingredients here. Also, that's really not true. Ingredients and show receipt. You should create a receipt on average. Written, okay. You always should be ratings with S because yes. I don't know what is wrong here. So let me just copy everything. Paste. Check. See, now it's still wrong. I don't know what is wrong here. Paste. Oh. That is correct. So 3 seconds, I'm already done. The time is done. So let's just see if I can give myself 5 minutes again. 5 minutes to complete the task. The video is already more than 30 minutes. Now you can find it's really tedious. Now you can fill each item in the receipt array with values for average, total, and difficulty level properties. This is it. No, okay. For now, access the blah 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 of receipt 1 and set them to the appropriate and set them to the appropriate result of function calls argument. So average rating. What's the correct function? So the correct function from average rating is get average ratings. So what that asks me to do here is of receipt 1. So let me just say receipt 1 don't average rating. Let me check if it's correct. Copy. Total ingredients. And the correct is get total ingredients. No, I don't think. Oh yeah, it's correct. Total ingredients and difficulty level. Difficulty level. No, let's copy this one. No, it's better. So difficulty level is get total ingredients. So difficulty is get. I think that's what that seems to do here. Let's see, check. So there's an error. You should access the average rating of property 1. So average rating of property 1. That's it. You should assign the result of calling get average in with to the average rating property of the signal. Okay, I think that I have an idea. Five minutes is not enough. I just underestimated it. So you should access the real average rating of the SIP one. Okay, this one here. Okay, so you can also access it. Rating. Oh, that's what I don't like. I want it to the corrections to show up so that I can easily correct them and go on. So okay, let me just don't need you anymore. So the average rating of property one is this one. Property receipt one is this one. So they're saying that I have to access it. So receipt one average rating. You should assign the result of calling average rating. Okay, with rating. So I click now, both of them, assign the result. Let me just reduce this thing. Okay, result of receive one rating. So normally here it's supposed to be some ratings. So okay, receive one rating. So that's right. So receive one. Usually has a total same thing for total ingredients. So, total ingredient for receive one. So one. So they're just asking me to modify the content of receive one. This one because it's null. So this one is equals to get ingredient. So just let it change me. So get ingredients. So now understand. Get ingredients. So I just remove it. Ingredients to second. You should do the same thing for receipt to just do the same thing for getting difficulty level. So here it will be difficulty level. I think that where is the function? Go on to the receipt one. And this one. Okay. And the difficulty level is so it's being calculated not with get all ingredients, but with cooking time. So take the cooking time. So that's just the thing that we're asking to do. I still have properly, so I'll just close this. Create a screen and say you should access difficulty level property. Okay. Receive one difficulty level property. Okay. You should assign the result of calling get difficulty with receive one cooking time. So receive one cooking time. Okay. Yeah, I know now the error. The error is because I'm not calling the correct function. So that's why it's saying that you're supposed to be get difficulty level. Ah, sorry. Where is it? Here? Normally that's why each cases are good, because if I put an edge case here and make sure that the parameter is always an array, by the time that I'm putting in a number, it will be wrong. So that's just it. Because cooking time, as we know, it's a number. So 22 belongs to the class number. So let's just continue. Test. Okay, done. 85% done. So let's do the remaining steps. I think this video will be more than 40 minutes. Let's say 45 minutes. So sorry, I'm still a beginner. I'm learning. I'm trying my best to do fast. So repeat the process. for average weighting, total ingredient, difficulty level, property for receipt 2. So just copy, paste, and everywhere I see 1, I replace with 2. So I just go vertically. Now, 2, 2, 2. Done. It remains, I think, should be the last step. The average weighting do the same for, so the average weighting, blah, 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 property of receipt 3 have been filled. Okay, thank you very much. Here's it. Now log the receipt array to the console to see all its item fields with the updated value without the receipt tracker is completed. So let's just do this final step. Pull log receipt saved. Thank you very much. So this is the result. As you can see, here is our first receipt, receipt 1 with the average rating, difficulty level easy, spaghetti carbona. The second one receipt is chicken curry. The third one is vegetable stir and fry. So let me just submit the codes, and that was all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, staying with me. What I really learned about this video is that programming is more oriented with details, so you have to be careful to really understand it, understand what they're asking from you, and understand every line of code. I think that's the reason why the prime, if you guys know the prime, I'm talking about this guy. Let's go to YouTube. The prime, the prime, the prime time. Yeah, this is my guy. The prime time is he's saying that let's say AI. He's saying that basically the guy is saying that we should not use AI if you're a beginner, because AI, here is a video, you can watch it after, because AI removes the the struggle that I had. So if I would have done the this code or this project on my VS Code, and normally my VS Code is not having this such AI suggestion, I just remove it. So if I would have done it with my VS Code, normally the AI would have suggested to me the correct answer. So when doing so, I would not have learned how to understand every line of the code, understand what happened, and understand the errors that I made during while coding the project. So that's just what the statement I wanted to make. Thank you for watching. I'm really grateful if you reach up to here. Please leave a comment, like if you want to see something more special or a video, an idea for a video that you want me to make, just leave a comment below the video. That being said, have a nice day. Stop.